You know that feeling, right? You get this amazing idea for a product, but then you hit a wall. How do you actually make it? Well, what if I told you that's all changing? Today, we're diving into how AI is basically flipping the script, letting you turn those ideas into real, profitable digital products. We're talking passive income, folks. Let's break down how this whole new world works.
Okay, think about how things used to be. Not that long ago either. Making a digital product was, well, it was a whole ordeal. You'd spend hours on design, shell out cash for crazy expensive software, and you had to have some pretty niche skills. It was a massive roadblock for most people. But now, oh, it's a completely different story. We're talking about creating something in minutes. All you need are simple prompts, and boom, you have a product ready to sell. It's not just a change, it's a full-on revolution for creators.
And that right there, that's the new reality we're living in. This is the AI digital product boom. And listen, this isn't some small tweak. It's a massive shift, a fundamental change for anyone who's ever thought about building a business, or even just a cool side hustle online. So, let's start with the big one, the money. What's the real financial opportunity here?
It all comes down to this magic phrase, scalable passive income. It sounds complicated, but the idea is actually super simple. You build something once, just once, and then you can sell it over and over and over again, without ever having to think about inventory or shipping or any of that physical stuff. And the amazing part, AI just made that build it once step ridiculously easy.
So you're probably asking, okay, but how does it actually work? Well, we're calling this creation without the code. And it's exactly what it sounds like. Forget needing a design degree. Forget knowing how to program. Seriously, just think of AI as your new co-founder. It's the one doing all the heavy lifting, all the technical stuff, so you can just focus on what you're good at, the ideas.
And the advantages here are just huge. I mean, first off, your creation time gets slashed from days or hours down to minutes. You literally don't need to be a graphic designer or a coder. Plus, customizing your products for different people, super easy now. And here's the real kicker. You can build an entire catalog of products, not just one, and you can do it fast.
You know, this quote from our source material just nails it. It really puts the scale of this change into perspective. That old bottleneck, the one made of time and specialized skills, it's pretty much just gone. Okay, let's get to the fun part. The instant idea factory. What can you actually make with these tools, like today? Honestly, the possibilities are going to blow your mind.
So if we break it down, the hottest products fall into a few main buckets. You've got your planners and printables, which are absolutely massive on platforms like Etsy. Then there's digital art and graphics, of course, educational content of all kinds, and a huge market for templates and tools that help other creators. Let's dive into some real-world examples.
Okay, first up, AI-generated meal planners. Just think about it for a second. Busy families, people trying to eat healthier, everyone's struggling with what's for dinner. You can literally use an AI to spit out a whole week of recipes and a perfect layout all in a matter of seconds. It's a simple, elegant solution to a problem literally millions of people have. Or what about this one? Printable budget trackers. I mean, personal finance is always a hot topic, right? An AI can instantly create super detailed budget sheets and, get this, even generate unique savings tips to sprinkle throughout. It's practical, it's valuable, and it's so easy to create.
Now let's talk visuals. You can use AI art generators to create absolutely stunning, one-of-a-kind digital art prints. You want minimalist? You got it. Abstract? No problem. You just name the style. People are always looking for cool, affordable art for their walls, and now you can be the artist. All it takes is a few well-written prompts.
Here's a fun one I love. Adult coloring pages. You know how big the whole mindfulness and relaxation market is, right? Well, AI is incredible at generating these super intricate, beautiful designs that are just perfect for coloring books. It's a product that taps directly into that need for a little stress relief.
Ever thought about writing a book but figured you weren't enough of an expert? Think again. AI can help you outline, write, and structure short little ebooks on super specific topics. And people love these quick guides that solve one particular problem for them, whether it's a beginner's guide to fitness or how to bake the perfect sourdough.
And let's wrap up the examples with a super practical one, resume templates. Getting a job is an urgent, high-stakes problem for so many people. With AI, you can generate clean, professional layouts and even include prompts for optimized wording. That's an incredibly high-value product for anyone on the job hunt.
Okay, so you've used AI to create your awesome new product. Now what? Well, this next part is all about the most important step, turning those pixels into actual profit. It's time to launch your business. First question is, where do you actually sell this stuff? Well, you've got a few great options. Etsy is an absolute powerhouse, especially for anything visual like art and printables, because the audience is already there looking for it. Then you have Gumroad, which is perfect for tools aimed at other creators. Think ebooks or template packs. And of course, if you want to build your very own brand, your own corner of the internet, then Shopify gives you all the control you need.
But just having a place to sell isn't enough. To really succeed, it boils down to 3 key things. First, find your niche. Don't just sell a meal plan. Sell keto meal plans for busy moms. Find that sweet spot where a passionate group of people has a problem you can solve. Second, you've got a bundle for value. One product is good, but a whole package is way better. So instead of just one resume template, sell a career launch kit with templates, interview tips, the works. It lets you charge way more. And finally, number 3, master your visuals. Your product might be digital, but people buy with their eyes. Use AI to create gorgeous mock-ups that show your product in action. Make it look irresistible.
All right, let's pull back and look at the big picture here. That's your new creative future and this just massive opportunity that's sitting right in front of us.
So what does this all really mean? At the end of the day, it means AI has leveled the playing field. It's democratized creation. All those technical roadblocks that used to stop smart people from starting a business, they're basically crumbling away. Now anyone with a good idea can become an entrepreneur.
And that really just leaves us with one big final question. In a world where pretty much anyone can create the digital product they're imagining, what are you going to create?